Standard 5 Math, Chapter number 11, Area and its Boundary, Textbook, page number 156. Save the birds. There are two beautiful lakes near a village. People come for boating and picnics in both the lakes. Two lakes are here, Lake A and Lake B. The village panchayat is worried that with the noise of the boats, the birds will stop coming. The panchayat wants motorboats in only one lake. The other lake will be saved for the birds to make their nest. With the noise of that boats का noise आता है इसीलिए birds नहीं आते, birds will stop coming. So panchayat decided that only one lake they will use for boating. एक लेक में ही बोटिंग कर सकते हैं, दूसरे लेक में बोटिंग नहीं कर सकते. Now some questions are given. A. How many centimeter is the length of the boundary of Lake A in the drawing? Lake A. Where is Lake A? Lake A is here, and what is the question? How many centimeter is the length of the boundary of Lake A in the drawing? Use thread to find out. Why we are using thread? Because these are the curved lines. These lines are not straight. Boundary is not straight. So we will use thread to measure the length of this boundary. And boundary means what we will search? We will search the length of that perimeter. Boundary means perimeter. Now with the help of thread, how to search? Take a thread first and start from any point. If we are starting from here, keep here mark. Then boundary wise, like this you can start to measuring. Any thread you can use to measure the boundary. We will reach till the starting point. Okay. Now hold the thread and take a scale, and first starting point keep on the scale. Okay. And then start measuring. Hold that end point. How much it is? It is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. So you write in the blank A 30 centimeter. With the use of thread we can measure the boundary of A, and when we measure the boundary of Lake A with the help of thread, it comes out to be around 30 centimeter. Question B. What is the length of the boundary of the Lake B in the drawing? Same way we will measure the length of the boundary of Lake B. Lake B is here. We will start from here. Okay, put a mark. Take a same thread or different, no problem. And like this you can measure in your textbook. If the figure is curved, then you can use this thread and measure the boundary. Measure the length. Once again, then take a scale. First keep starting point at the 0 point, then measure it is approximately 25 centimeter. Okay, so we can say when we measure the boundary of lake B with the help of the thread, it comes out to be around 25 centimeter. So write here B answer 25 centimeter. C. How many kilometers long is the actual boundary of lake A? Now here scale is given. 1 centimeter on this drawing is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 25 centimeter is equal to 25 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer. Okay. So how many kilometer of long is the actual boundary of lake A? We can say it is 25 kilometer. Right here, sorry, A, it is 30. We measured 30 centimeter. So lake A 30 centimeter and 30 centimeter is equal to 30 kilometer. So right here 30 kilometer. Number D. How many kilometers long is the actual boundary of lake B? So, what is the measure? What is the length of lake B? It is 25 centimeter. So, 25 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer. Right here 25 kilometer. Now, we have this lake and checks box means 1 by 1 centimeter. So, to find out area, we will count the whole square and half square, and like that you can find the area of this both lake. Now next page, question page number 157. King's story. Let's read the story. The king was very happy with carpenter Shegu and Anar. Carpenter was there and their name Shegu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So, as gifts, the king wanted to give some land to Shegu and some gold to Anar. What was there? Shegu and Anar prepared nice bed for him. So, king wants to give them gift. Which gift? King wants to give some land to Shegu. Land Shegu को देनी है and some gold to Anar. Okay, Shegu will get land as a gift and Anna will get gold as a gift. Shegu was happy. He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangle. 100 meter wire he took, means 100 meter wire, 100 meters का rectangle बनाना है land के ऊपर. Now rectangle he prepared. He made 10 by 40 meter rectangle. 10 by 40 meter means 10 breadth and 40 length. Like that he rectangle he prepared. And rectangle कैसा बनाना है? 100 centimeter boundary means 40, 40, 10, 10. Let's do 40 and 40. Rectangle बनाना है. Approximately like this he made rectangle. 40 length and 10 breadth. Okay. So 40 and 10. Addition कर दो. 40 plus 40 80 and 10 plus 10 20. So 80 plus 20 100. Yes, 100 meter हो गया. So yes, 100 meter. Perimeter 100 meter है. So what is the area of this rectangle? 4 ones are 4 and 2 0. That is the 400 square meter. 400 square meter बनाया. So he next made 30 by 20 meter. 30 by 20 meter 100 होता है नहीं होता है? Let's check. 30 by 20. 30 by 20. Little big. Okay. 30 30, 20, 20. Try to add this one. 30 plus 20, 50. 30 plus 20, 50. Yes, it is 100 मीटर. So 100 मीटर तो वायर है कंप्लीट, यानी उसके पेरीमीटर क्या है 100 मीटर. एंड व्हाट इज इट्स एरिया? 30 multiplied by 20. So 32, 3 2s are 6. 600 square meter. And what is the area of this one? 4 1s are 4. Means 40 and 10 is equal to 400 square meter. So here 3 2s are 6. 600 square meter. What is the area? 600. Is it more than the first rectangle? First rectangle was of 400 square meter and second 600. So yes, it is the more. It is more than first rectangle. So right here, yes. Next, what other rectangle can be made with 100 meters of wire? 100 मीटर वायर में से ज़्यादा रेक्टेंगल बना सकते हैं? 100 मीटर टोटल 100 होना चाहिए. 4 लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ टोटल करके 100 होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स ट्राई. 5 इंटू 45. 5 इंटू 45. 5 इंटू 45. रेक्टेंगल बनाओ. 45 45 लेंथ, 5 ब्रेथ. ये 100 होता है. Yes, 45 plus 45 90 and 5 plus 5 10. Yes, it is 100. So one we can make 5 into 45. Second, can you find out? Yes, approximately 15 breadth or width और 35 length. टोटल करो तो 35 plus 35 70 and 15 plus 15. 15 2s are 30. 0 and 0. Yes, 100 हो गया. So this also you can make 35 into 15. 25 into 25 also we can make. 25 4s are 100. Square we can take. Instead of rectangle we can make square. Okay. Now Shegu's wife asked him to make a circle with the wire. She knew it had an area of 800 square meters. Why did Shegu not choose a rectangle? Example, 800 का कर सकते हैं. 800 का 800 square meter. But is it possible 800 square meter? Because 100 meter perimeter होना चाहिए. Area 800. But 100 meter let's try. 800 है. If we can take 40 10 करो. 40 plus 40 80. 10 and 10 20. Yes, ये 100 हुआ. But its area, उसका एरिया तो 400 ही होगा. So नहीं, ये नहीं कर सकते. This is not possible. Another way, 20 20. 4 2s are 8. If we take 40 length and 20 breadth, so 40 into 20, 800 we can make. But perimeter change हो जाएगा. Perimeter 100 ही होना चाहिए. Addition है सबका, वो 100 आना चाहिए. 40 plus 40 80 and 20 plus 20 40. It is more than 100. So this is not possible. So we can say that 800 square meter area, it is not possible. So why Shegu not choose a rectangle? Because none of the rectangle will have area of 800 square meter. But Shegu's wife, little clever. So instead of rectangle, what she said? She asked him to make a circle with the wire. And she knew it had an area of 800 square meter. So instead of rectangle, they took circle. So Shegu has taken 800 square meter of land as a gift. And now what was king told? That I will give you as much gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 800 square meter. So both will get same thing. Shegu will get land and Anna will get gold wire. Here Anna tried many different ways to make a boundary for 800 square meters of land. He made rectangle A, B, C of different size. A, B and C of different sizes. Find out its length of the boundary of each. How much gold wire will he get for this rectangle? Okay, 800 का उसने ट्राई किया. 800 स्क्वायर मीटर लैंड मीन्स एरिया उसका इतना होना चाहिए. 4 2s are 8. ओके, यानी कि 40 लेंथ एंड 20 ब्रेथ. Area 4 2s are 800. So gold wire, what is the perimeter? Okay, gold उसकी लेंथ कितनी? बाउंड्री. So 40 plus 40. अभी हमने सर्च किया 40 plus 20 plus 40 plus 20. So what is the total of this? What is the boundary of A? 4 plus 4 8 and 9 10 11 12. 120 meter. So we can say the length of A gold wire he will get 120 meter if he will choose this one. B 80 into 10. 80 by 10 he tried. यानी कि 80 meter length and 10 meter breadth. So what is the length? ये एरिया तो 800 ही होगा बट उसका वायर पेरीमीटर डिफरेंट होगा. 80 प्लस चलो करो 80 प्लस 10 प्लस 80 प्लस 10. What is the total? 8 and 8 16 17 and 80. 180 meter. Okay. Next C. He took 800 by 1 यानी length 800 meter and breadth 1 meter. Okay. So 80 length 1 breadth. So add करो तो 800 plus 1 plus 800 plus 1. 800 plus 1 करो. 800 plus 1 plus 800 plus 1. What is the total? 8 and 8 1600 plus 2. So 1602. Right here gold wire for C 1600 to 1602 meter. But then Anar made an even longer rectangle. उसको अभी ज़्यादा वायर चाहिए. So different way से वो सर्च कर रहा है कि 800 स्क्वायर मीटर ही एरिया है बट रेक्टेंगल ज़्यादा बड़ा बनाओ. एरिया विल रिमेन सेम. देखो एरिया 800 800 800 लेकिन वायर बड़ा ही बड़ा बनता जा रहा है. ओके, यहाँ 120 मीटर ओनली. सो ही विल गेट मोर वायर देन 180 ऑल्सो. ओके, उसको ज़्यादा लालच चाहिए. इसका देखो 1602 मीटर. दिस मच लॉन्ग वायर ही विल गेट. सो अगेन ही थॉट अबाउट दिस वन. सी दिस D rectangle D. So rectangle D length 8000 meter. 8000 meter length and 0.1 meter breadth. 0.1 meter breadth he took. So he will get how much meter of gold wire? Add करो तो 8000 plus 0.1 plus 8000 plus 0.1. So if we will add all these, then he will get 8 plus 8 16. So 16,000.2. 16,000.2 meter of gold wire he will get. So king fainted. How can I give you this much of gold? Anna was so clever कि 800 स्क्वायर मीटर है. 800 स्क्वायर मीटर का लैंड ले लिया बट उस लैंड से वायर उसकी पेरीमीटर तो बहुत बड़. लाइक दिस ऑल्सो ही कैन मेक 800 यहाँ भी बन सकता है, यहाँ भी बन सकता है, यहाँ और दिस ऑल्सो ही कैन मेक. बट हाउ मच लॉन्ग वायर ही विल गेट? गोल्ड वायर किंग हैज टू गिव. सो नाउ डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई द किंग फेंटेड? किंग वॉज फेंटेड हियरिंग दिस थिंग. Okay, So Anna was so clever. So we can say that with the same area we can make different type of perimeter. एरिया सेम रहता है बट पेरीमीटर डिफरेंट हो सकता है. ओके 800 800 सबका एरिया सेम है. यहाँ भी एरिया सेम, यहाँ भी, यहाँ सी डी एरिया 800 ओनली. ओके बट इट्स पेरीमीटर इज डिफरेंट.